You're probably watching this video because it's time to upgrade your fleet. And this is the vehicle to do it. It's a Transit Connect 350 all-wheel drive. The great thing about this, it's a high roof KUV. It has big doors for all your parts. It has small doors for smaller parts. It has a horizontal part for all your little tiny stuff. It also has the last door there. It also has a place for your conduit up here, or your pipe, long pipes, or 2x4s, or whatever you want to put in there. It does have a tow hitch. You can tow up to about 6,000 pounds on this. It has a 7-pin, and now it's time to look in the interior. And you're gonna really love this. It has a walkthrough, and it has handles here. It does have lighting back here for a lot of spacious stuff. For your plumbers, you can put your water heater standing upright without anything to worry about leaning it down and getting it damaged. It has the shelving on the inside. As you can see, this is where your conduit goes, or your piping up here for more parts. As you can tell, it does have a painted floor, but we can also spray line it. That makes it easier not to slip and makes it last longer. And as you look through into the cab, you see the big center screen there. That shows you where you can find all your information. I call it central command. It has all your stuff for your all-wheel drive and etc. Like I said, this is a Swiss Army knife for your vehicle. It doesn't matter what industry you're in. This vehicle will handle it up. Be a plumber, be an electrician, maintenance, pool work, whatever. This vehicle will take care of you. And we have it here at Phil Long Ford of Denver in our commercial vehicle center. We are the largest commercial center in the metro area and the state. What that means to you, we have an established fleet that will help you get back on the road and back to business.